Morning, Freberg SM. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, that you had a great weekend, you're staying safe. So I wanted to create a short video just to kind of go over what we'll be covering from this week on. So one of the assignments that you all have to do for this class is a digital workshop. So we'll be doing all of these through Zoom. And so today's class, what I'm going to be working on with you all is kind of show you what I'm looking for in terms of the presentation, what I'm looking for in terms of the handout that you'll be creating. So again, this is going to be just an overview of what I'm expecting you guys to do for this assignment. So again, the big thing that I want you guys to take advantage of is one, really coming forward with some great insights that you're able to share with your fellow classmates, but also realize this is an opportunity for you guys to have a digital asset that then you'll be able to share and incorporate in your portfolios. You can share on your LinkedIn, through social media. So I think it's really going to be a great opportunity. So I'm going to do my workshop so you kind of get a sense of what I'm looking for, but also I will, once we're done, I'm actually going to go for and kind of walk you guys through, kind of saying, okay, this is what you need to do to set up a webinar. This is where you find the sign-in information on Zoom. This is, how you record a session. So I'm going to make sure that you guys have each of those steps. And again, more resources available for y'all as well on Zoom. So I'll make sure to post those details for y'all on Blackboard. But at any point in time, if you have questions, today during class or something comes up and you're like, oh my gosh, Dr. Freberg, I have a question about this, let me know. But I think we're going to have a great session this week. And I know some of you might have some questions about how to set it up, what to do. It's all going to be fine. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I will see you all in class this afternoon. And always, go Cards.